KVM. I am taking KVM now.
Now I am taking new shape layer. On shape layer I am taking any path. You can take any. I am taking pen tool. Making a custom path with it. Any path of my choice. Okay, now I am going to contents, shape 1, path 1 and path. Now I am copying its path, then going to text layer and position and paste the path on text position layer. Now we don't need shape layer, so I am deleting this layer. I have removed this layer. Now here is our here is its motion. So friends, in this way you can move your text in any direction, in any path, your custom path. Thank you friends, thank you very much. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.